Hello everyone, and welcome back to Self-Mastery channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to get financial aid for Coursera courses. The first step is to choose the course you want to take. You can search for courses on the Coursera website and filter your search by subject, language, and institution. Once you have found the course you want to take, check whether financial aid is available for that course. Not all courses on Coursera offer financial aid, so make sure to choose a course that has a financial aid option. To apply for financial aid, go to the course page and click on the Financial Aid Available link. You'll be directed to a page where you'll need to fill out an application form. The application form will ask you for some personal information, such as your name, email address, and country of residence. You'll also be asked to provide information about your educational background and your annual income. After completing your personal information, you have to write an essay about 150 words, in which you explain why you are in need to this financial aid. After writing the essay, paste it and confirm your information. If you struggled on answering that question, visit the link below in the description to see some examples. Click to Next. In the next step, you will be asked two additional questions. The first is how much can you pay for this course, while the second is to write 150 words about the benefits that the course can give you. Select the two conditions. Copy and paste the phrase. Verify that you are not a robot, then submit your application. After you have submitted your application, you'll need to wait for a response from Coursera. It usually takes around 15 business days to receive a response. Coursera will inform you whether your application has been accepted or rejected. If your application is accepted, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to enroll in the course. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep learning.